What's up, guys?
प्यारी बारिश हो रही है.
ओह! चाय पकौड़ी भी रेडी है।
Oh, guys,
Where
come
does
on,
where does it?
please.
We just started. You can't start laughing now.
I think it's
Just
fine
wait.
to laugh. It's
I thought
okay.
this was going on
No,
the
that is
podcast.
what that is how it's going to
But he has
be.
to tell the Spotify dialogue first now.
Improv
Are we
is
recording
fine.
again or are we continuing this?
Start again, I think. Everything's on Spotify now. I kind of miss the good old days where it used to be like the radio, like you had to. The only
I
time
know.
I listened to music was the car radio, to be honest.
Car
And you
radio,
know the
right?
same
You're
the
just sitting
same
with your
three songs would
family.
play.
God, yeah. Either, the ads
Yeah,
all
yeah.
line up. Like, ad starts in one station, you switch stations. Ad starts there, you switch stations.
You
I
there.
even do it like when I'm riding in a car with my dad or like, yeah, I do this.
Yeah, yeah. You're like the RJ basically because you get to do that part.
RJ, yeah, yeah.
But now it's like all
You
aux.
always call shotgun just because for that.
Same, same.
Same, right?
Exactly.
And if you're going on road trips, you have this one song which is a mandatory song that has to be played on a road trip. Yeah?
I swear. And my brother's the worst during road trips. So now, because he's the eldest, yeah, he always gets aux privilege. So he plays the music. And the minute he keeps an eye out, and the minute like the chorus hits or the family starts singing along, he changes the song, dude. Like, what's his problem?
Oh, the
Yeah,
worst.
because you guys are like ruining the song and he does not want that, so I
Damn,
don't
I
blame him.
sing well. Okay.
No.
You want to
It's
vibe on
fine.
it or want to change it?
Yeah, literally. Like,
There's no singing and ruining the songs. Just vibe. Just listen. But then another problem, the thing I never liked about radios was I cannot skip a song. Like I don't like a song and that's playing, and I just have to sit there till the song ends.
yeah, you know
Whereas in
what
Spotify, I could
really
just
pisses
skip it, skip.
nowadays? Okay, in Dubai at least, I don't know how it's like in India. Just threw in the NRI thing there. Okay. But what happens is on Friday nights or Thursday nights, by the time it's the weekend, after 8 p.m. they start playing only like disco hits, which I'm tired of hearing. Okay, like it's like uns, 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 uns.
Oh.
I don't want to hear that. I want to hear real songs.
Yeah, disco songs are like I don't know.
Your
I'm saying disco,
imitation
I
of
mean
disco
clubs. I'm
sound.
not from the 80s, just so everyone knows.
It's like her imitation of the disco thing was like an asthma patient
Yeah.
beatboxing.
Wow.
My God.
All asthma
Like
patients are like
that's
brutally
my inhale.
offended right now.
Inhale.
That's what it sounds like. I don't want to hear that shit.
But really though, like older music and the ones that we grew up, they just hit different. Because that was our childhood, yeah. All of those songs are associated to some kind of memory growing
And
up.
it still happens. Like songs are still associated to
It
memories.
still
Like
happens.
nowadays people listen to music which they feel they are like relatable to. That's the thing.
Yeah, and back then you just listened to whatever you could listen to, because of the radio thing, I feel. Just whatever you heard,
Mm,
And also,
radio.
why are we
Correct, correct.
forgetting the TV show, the channels that we used to have, like Sony Mix and all
Oh my
that?
god.
Oh,
Like
Oh my
Nine
god.
songs
XM.
all day.
oh
Like
my
you're like,
god, Idea Star Singer. Okay, all my Mallus out there know what I'm talking about. Idea Star Singer. I grew up listening to that shit.
we have no idea what you're talking about. You're the only Mallu here, so.
Why are there no other Mallus in this? Are
What do
Sharath
you
always
mean?
criticizing. It's not good enough, mole. Try Shrutila Padu, mole. Oh God, you guys wouldn't. It's so mean. He was the
Oh no,
meanest
it's
judge,
sad that
basically.
we can't relate to this.
But
She's
others
just
will relate. I'm
enjoying.
promising you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember listening to 9XM before going to my school. Like that
Oh
used to
yeah,
play
I
in the
remember. And
background.
then the one song constantly every day, every morning that like I used to listen to was like
Exactly
that
this is
Khuda
the
Jaane
same
Na.
thing.
Yeah, Khuda Jaane Na. I'm like,
Yeah.
it's every day it's that song. Like have to man. If I did not listen to the song, it's like my day was incomplete.
Actually, that's there. Like, even now, when I hear old music, the obviously the English music has its own vibes, but the Hindi music
But
is what gets you
Hindi,
in the
I
I
swear
feels.
to
Like
God.
totally.
my whole Hindi playlist is just songs from the the early 2000s, oh my god,
2000s,
I
every
don't know.
correct,
Shan
correct.
song
For
ever.
some reason, my Bollywood music taste is stuck in like 2012. That's it.
2000,
Like
I agree to this.
after that, I have no idea. I could like count on my on my hand how many songs I know
Yeah, how many
after
new songs you
2012.
Songs,
liked,
Yeah,
right?
I think there
Same.
was this
correct.
song. The latest song that I liked was Harya,
Yeah, that's the love is.
and I mean, Ayushmann doesn't have any bad songs.
No, actually, he's not Tony Kakkar, right?
Oh my
Who is
god,
this
do
Tony
not.
Kakkar? Like, I keep hearing
Yeah,
about this. I don't
my
know who
friends
this
Your
keep
is.
life is good,
my friends
Shivani.
keep
Just
like
let it be
telling
that
like,
way.
don't listen to him, don't listen to him.
If you want to ruin your life, just
Yeah, but
go and
it's
search
kind
for
of
it.
that stupid curiosity where it's like, I know it's going to be bad, but I want to know.
No, you don't want to know.
He's a very good singer composer, actually. Like I'm not kidding. Okay,
Okay.
he
Okay.
like made
That
songs like
dude.
Sawan Aaya Hai. You have heard this song?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mohammed
No.
Barsa Dena Tu Sawan Aaya. Yeah, it's written by Tony Kakkar. The music is also by Tony
What?
Kakkar.
So is he doing this
Seriously?
on purpose?
Yes,
Is he
just
being shit on purpose to get views or something?
this is what this was the taste like. But like what nowadays happens is they people don't prioritize songs like those and go more for stupid shits like number like 98971.
Oh, is this like Dinchak Puja, like on purpose?
What?
He's
Yeah,
trying to act
exactly,
like a.
exactly. People like
Ah,
calling music more than listening to
but I
good
want to
songs.
hear what it
They
sounds
take
like.
example for Bachpan Ka Pyar, like who Badshah just promoted right now.
Oh
You
my
have heard
god,
that particular guy.
no.
There's
What is this
nothing in the
Bachpan
song.
Ka?
To be very honest,
I
there's
kind of
nothing.
want to
Please go to
listen to it
Instagram
now.
Reels. You will
I
have.
don't
Want
know.
to
These
know.
songs are like so bad, but then they're still so catchy.
Yeah.
They're still so catchy for some reason. It's stuck in my head, and I don't want it there. I'm like, please get out, please get out. But then it's still there.
What is that one Dinchak Puja song? Was it
Oh
Daru
my God!
Daru
No,
Daru?
please,
Was that
please,
it?
please,
That was
please,
the
please don't
song.
discuss that, please. It's an insult of the entire music thing.
But then she lives the life, man. Say whatever.
Yeah. I heard, I heard that Hijab Pooja filed an FIR against someone who made a meme on a song. That was so funny, like, and after
Is
that,
that real?
like, being a hypocrite, she said that I love my haters.
Damn.
Isn't that what
Oh
everyone
damn.
says? Isn't that what everyone says?
True though.
I love my
But
haters.
it's good. Like there are people who hate Arjit Singh. Okay, there are people who hate Arjit Singh, but
But
you know what?
who?
Yeah, there are people who hate many good singers. Like
Bro,
if
how
I'm not,
can
I feel like even the
that's
Bollywood industry knows they're making crap music right
they're
now. So they keep,
making, yeah,
doing those
correct.
throwbacks to old
they
hits
are
and
making
then
Throwbacks,
remixes
remixing
of
correct,
them with
every
correct.
stupid stuff.
so done. Like, to be honest, when you're dancing to it, you don't mind. But when you're listening to the music, you don't want to hear this, to be honest.
Let me just explain you the evolution of music in simple terms. Like first it
It's evolving, but just backwards.
yeah.
So Shivani was telling, right, like these Bollywood people know that they're making crap music. So they just like will add one dance, will add choreography, will cover up the fact that the song is
How
bad.
music started. It started in a very good terms. Like there was synchronization and there was no auto tuning or something like that in the
And
beginning.
think about the lyrics also, like how much effort and romance and
Exactly,
vibes they put
exactly.
into the
I
The
lyrics of
entire
know,
some of
orchestra
right?
these
used to sit
songs. My
together and they
God.
used to play music, record it at one go, and without any systemic things. Like now there's pitching and all stuffs. But there was nothing at the beginning, and now what they do in the remixes is like they just change the thing. Add some beats, make some like
Unts, 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 unts. Yeah, I'm telling
yeah.
you guys, it's making a comeback.
It's
It's just
actually like the
like
same music. It feels like the same music.
nowadays, if you're not
Like
having
all
a good
these
music,
songs.
what do you do? Today's
No, no, all the remixes, it's like it's just the same thing. A keyboard, a drum machine, a sample, and a computer software.
exactly. The one guy who had been original throughout the era was A.R. Rahman, and I
If you
respect
do
that guy
not
for that.
respect A.R. Rahman, you cannot exist on this planet anymore.
Exactly,
Just
exactly.
go away.
My dad does this whole thing with Ilayaraja. I can't explain it,
Oh
but
yes,
for Tamil
yes,
music, he's the
Ilayaraja
god.
is. I agree. I agree.
But we still do have some good people. Like there are still some good songs which have
Yeah,
meaning
yeah,
and
I
stuff.
agree. There are so
It's
many
like they are underrated. They're
underrated
Huh.
underrated,
artists.
not promoted. They're not
Exactly.
promoted because it's mostly like the not so famous singers singing it. Because see, whatever Neha Kakkar puts out, everyone listens to it, no matter how dog shit it is. But then there are
So now,
others.
so you're saying like Hindi mainstream now is trash, basically. Like how
Yeah.
underrated should it be?
It is.
I don't know. Right now, I don't like a lot of English mainstream either. Like some of it's
Mm,
decent.
correct.
Like to hear it, it's fine. If there's nothing else to listen
Fine.
to, I'll listen to that. But
It's
Yeah, that's
fine.
good.
my
Yeah,
taste has
listening to it
evolved
once
into
or
something
twice.
else now.
Hmm.
The taste keeps changing. That's the thing. Like, if you ask, most of the people don't have a favorite singer. It's just upon like the
Yeah.
song which your like current mood is. Suppose I'm in love, so I will hear to romantic songs. Yeah, that's my favorite song right now. Oh my
Yeah,
god,
and then when the
the
breakup
breakup
happens, it's
song.
all like she sucks, I hate her, and the
Channa
music
mere
gets
ya
changed.
mere ya channa mere and they go like that.
Hey, that's a good song. That has meaning. That song has meaning. Say whatever. That song
Yeah.
has meaning.
Can I just ask, like in general, how much do lyrics matter when you're listening to something?
For me, lyrics actually matter because I'm not going to cry to a song that says about booty and all that stuff. I'm not going to cry to a Nicki Minaj song. I want to cry to a proper song.
Yeah, when you're hitting the the depression playlist, it needs to have meaning. But and I feel like none of the mainstream songs can even fall into the depression playlist because their lyrics, especially,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
say something.
It's mainstream has become like too overrated. Like, see, now TikTok and Reels, if you take, you can say that some underrated songs get into the surface because of this. But don't you think it becomes excessively repetitive and then you just lose interest in that song, even though if it's a good song, but
Yeah,
then because of the excessive repetition,
That's true. Like even if it's
yeah,
a good song, it loses the interest of the total entire thing. Like,
usually how it goes for me is I discover a song through TikTok or like Reels or whatever. I'm overjoyed. I love that song. I play the song while listening to it in my own playlist. Then in Reels again I have to hear that one really good part of the song 100 times over. Because what's with the algorithm, by the way? If you like an audio once, they keep sending the same audio to you again
the
and again.
same thing,
it's the
yeah.
trend. It's the
Correct.
trend. It's the
I get
Instagram trend.
so
Shreyas
done.
knows that.
And by the end of it,
But
I want to like, I never want to hear the song again. So that's depressing.
but still, I
Yeah,
don't
true,
blame
true,
it,
true.
okay? Because I found like so many good songs through
True,
Instagram
true.
Reels and TikToks. Like so many
Mm.
new artists that I did not even know I needed to know.
Okay, but think about this. Think about the song that you feel that has most feels for you, that makes you cry the most. Now think about it being
Mm.
overplayed in
Sometimes they
Instagram
don't even
Reels.
use the original song. They just change it to something stupid
I don't
and
mind that
make
though.
it
Like some of the
Crap
edits are
version.
decent. Some
crap
are
version.
decent.
Yeah,
Some are
And
decent.
also, when you discover new artists, you sometimes want them to be with yourself. Like, you don't want the entire world to know about them.
Yeah.
But then at the same time, you're like, no, they need recognition. The world needs to know about them. So you're always torn.
That is a thing though. Like when you compare mainstream and then niche music, all people who listen
Mm.
to niche music have that notch in their shoulder. They're like, oh, I listen to, independent
I
artists. I'm so much
know.
cooler than you.
Yeah.
I'm one of those people, so I'm allowed to say that.
I know. I do that all the time.
I, yeah, but then also, what I love the most is, in YouTube comments, those people are there like, I love that I'm here before this person has blown up.
Yes,
Like,
before
and then I want to be like, me also, me
use
also.
me.
I'm also here before them know.
Use me as the person, as the button. You were here before they were famous.
Yeah.
It was
Those
like
comments.
oh my god, yeah.
that was me with Halsey. Like I mean, I know her
You
from
guys, you
so
guys know
many
Yashraj
years.
Mukhate, right? You guys know Yashraj Mukhate, right? He makes spoofs and stuffs out of dialogues of people. That like Rasodi Mein Kaun Tha. It started from that stuff
Oh yeah, yeah,
back in
yeah, yeah, yeah.
2020. Yeah, he became famous from that particular thing, and everyone started, use me as this, use me as this.
Oh,
Why,
that's how
why
it
you are
is.
letting people use you?
Right, right. But what was Komal saying about Halsey?
Yeah.
Like I mean, I found her when she was like such low. Like she had I guess 300K subscribers on YouTube.
Oh,
I found her at that
Mm.
time, and now
Oh.
she's like such famous artist.
I don't
It's
want to
I
throw
don't know.
shade or get cancelled, but I don't like Halsey that much.
Oh, shut up! No, no,
See, her first album, I tell
like,
you, Bad at Love, Gasoline, those I did like, maybe because I was going through some sort of phase or something. I don't know.
Okay.
No, I
okay.
like the vibe of that music, and then it became a little repetitive, and I felt like her vibrato isn't what it doesn't seem very skilled. You know what I mean?
The same music, if you start hearing again and again, you start bringing out flaws in the same thing. So that's
But
where I
I
think,
don't know.
so certainly you lose interest.
I don't know if she deserves as much credit as she gets. That's all I'm
Oh,
saying. I
she
feel like there
deserves.
are
Yeah,
better
she deserves
artists
more.
out
She
there.
deserves more. She deserves more credit.
Yo, I don't know if I agree with that.
She deserves more credit. Say whatever.
But speaking of this, okay, so how I usually discover songs is through Spotify, right? You know, the weekly radar, release radar, whatever it shows up.
Mm-mm.
And
Yeah,
then
yeah, yeah.
sometimes when I want to send a song to a friend, I go to YouTube and that's how I send it. So when I look the song up, then it has like 300 likes only. And I'm like, ooh, I'm listening to a niche
Oh,
song. I'm
underrated
so
song.
fancy.
Yeah.
I love it when they have low likes, which is probably like,
That was me with that was me with 88 Rising, like all of the artists.
I love
Like
it.
when I first discovered 88 Rising, I'm like, oh my god, they have such dope as artists, but they're so underrated. And now 88 Rising is catching up and it's
Cloud, the
getting
amount
so
of clout
famous.
they have. Dude, I discovered them through Joji
I'm like,
first.
yeah, don't,
And then
yeah,
Joji wasn't even on the album. I was devastated.
album.
Dude, why?
Everybody was devastated. Like everybody kept asking,
Why?
like, where is Joji? Why
Did
is he
we get
not
an
on the
answer? I want
album?
to know still. Is he okay?
No, we didn't get.
Was he sick? Is that why? I don't want him to be sick though. So
Yeah, now 88 Rising is catching up, and one side of me is happy, like, okay, they're finally getting the recognition. But another side, I'm like, no, everybody cannot know about them. I want them to be with me alone.
I don't know if
But
it's just me or not, but then once some an artist starts catching up, like everyone starts listening to him, the music declines for some reason.
yeah, I feel like. Do you feel like the artist tries
th-
to cater to the popular demand also? Like,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah,
Their
yeah.
music, their
And
music style, their individualistic taste. I feel like it gets diluted when the audience increases.
And listen, another criteria is, see, if the artist was not very popular, maybe he or she or they were not signed to a record label initially, so they were free to produce the any kind of music that they wanted. Once you get signed into a record label, you don't
Right.
have, most of the major record labels don't let you control, so you
Do
have to
what you
listen to
want to do.
whatever your record label says.
Maybe that's the charm of bedroom artists. Maybe that's why we like niche music and indie
Yeah,
artists
yeah, yeah.
because they're true
That
to
is why,
themselves at
yeah, because
least.
it's true, correct. It comes from their own art.
it's more like
That's
record
that.
labels' fault and pressure, not the artists. Whereas it's the artists that get blamed. They're like, you don't make the music you
Yeah,
used to make.
Are there any really
yeah, yeah,
popular
yeah, correct.
artists who are independent, like indie labels?
Oh, Ed Sheeran has his own record label.
Yeah, true. And he stays, you can see also, like now the new album, what's coming out, is it called Equal? Is that what its name is?
Yeah, he
It's
finished
so
dividing.
different. It's so different from what he usually creates. I mean,
Right, what he usually creates,
yeah, but see,
correct.
he's free to do that. He's free to explore his own taste and evolve
Yeah,
because it's an indie label. That's kind of
it's his,
sad
yeah,
that
it's his
others
own
don't
label.
have that.
Uh, uh, do you guys know Bruno
Yeah,
Major?
yeah, yeah.
I think I listened to a few songs of his.
So, yeah, he always speaks about how, these major record labels don't let you do things on your own. They just, hog all of your money.
um,
So he's not part of a record label, but then he did pretty good with his
do
album.
you think they're doing this only for the hits and to get like? Do you think record labels are pressuring artists so that they get more hits and sales only? Like, is it the Billboard chart that determines
Of
sales,
course.
or is there some other? measure of how popular an artist
I
is.
don't know. Billboard charts, I don't trust Billboard anymore.
Same.
It's just based on popularity.
Dude, I
Like,
feel like I'm gonna get hate for saying this,
pretty
but Drake's
dumb.
I was listening to the radio a few days ago, and it was like Drake's new album broke the Beatles record by having most number of
I'm,
hits on the
yeah, I'm
top
like,
five. All of his
no.
Okay, I haven't listened to the entire album, but it's Drake, like how versatile are the songs really going to be? I'm just saying.
True. Correct. Yeah, even like the awards and all these days, like Billboards, VMAs, Grammys, all of them are being biased. Like, nothing's true anymore.
Dude, The Weeknd didn't get nominated. I don't know anyone who's.
Exactly.
I'm
Like,
not over it
how
still.
could Weeknd not get
That was
nominated
such
into
a
the
good album.
Grammys?
The Weeknd got snubbed for literally carrying the American music industry with After Hours and Blinding Lights.
Well, the people have no importance there.
What was that
True.
crap song Justin Bieber put out? Like he puts out good music.
Yummy,
sometimes.
yummy. I'm like, what
Yummy.
the fuck?
How did that get on the Grammys and none of the Weeknd songs? None of them. I don't understand.
Which nursery child listened to it and thought it should go for
Yeah.
Grammys?
It would be like if Baby Shark got nominated. That is the equivalent.
Exactly. I'm so much interested. Like, it's how many views are there on that video?
Which Baby Shark or
Yeah.
Yummy? Because it's basically the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I miss when Gangnam Style became popular. I miss that time period.
I know.
Those are what I refer to as the good old days, as if I'm some
Anyone a K-pop fan here?
K-pop. I listen to a little bit. See, here's the thing, right? People who obsess about BTS, I have nothing against him. I went through that phase myself, but I don't actually. And then they hate on you if you don't know about other artists. But here's the thing: suppose I like one
Yeah,
artist,
correct.
I'm not going to listen to the entire genre and judge every artist of that genre and then get behind every backstory of each artist. I listen to BTS like I would listen to any other artist of any other
Any other artist.
kind of
Correct,
They
music.
try to discriminate the thing and just make out some critic out of nowhere and just put it on to make themselves cool. Like, yeah, that's what people do.
I
Here.
think the fans get a lot more hate than they deserve. To be
Exactly. They get a
Yeah.
lot more hate than they deserve.
K-pop groups don't stand out from each other, like not that much. They're like similar. It's like trash songs with basic lyrics and a backing track.
feel like
Okay, I'm
you're
getting
hating on
cancelled
the
for
entire
this.
industry
Yeah.
for no reason.
Yeah. Just no,
Oh,
I
God.
think that is also because see how because it caught on, K-pop caught on, so these companies are just producing groups on and on and on.
Yeah, you
So
know how
there's
we talked about
no more.
the labels controlling people.
Yeah, that is how it
and
is
it's so much more controlling in the K-pop industry, right?
in K-pop industry, right?
Crazy.
It's very extremely controlling.
But then there's still groups like Mamamoo and Dreamcatcher who still
Yeah,
continue to make
I know.
great music.
I listen to IU most. Like, she's my favorite artist, and she produces songs. She writes her own songs. Everything she does on her own. And her company is very sweet because she debuted at what? She was 15 years when she debuted.
Aw.
So it's been the same company. Like, she literally grew up with them. So they're very close.
That's
So
really
she does
That's
everything
really
that she
cute.
wants.
People are like, have you ever been in a situation where you just got broken up with and you're sitting crying, eating ice cream? Well, I made a song exactly about that and it's releasing soon. You can pre-save the link day
Oh,
after tomorrow.
yeah.
Those
Correct.
reels,
Yeah, exactly.
Can't it have been friend zoned for months now?
actually,
From
it's
Instagram,
nice
there's
to
Yeah,
see
yeah,
people
I
also
know.
half the time. Some
Very
of them are
cute
really like
those are.
cliche, like guitar strumming and
Yeah.
then singing lyrics. That's not great music in my opinion, but okay.
The
You know, I
evolution of guitar, it's like
Uh-huh.
at now you tell about you think about electric guitar and its distortion comes to mind, and it's not the clean instrument.
Okay, Felicia will explain what distortion is for power people like me.
Distortion is the life and blood of rock and roll.
Yeah. So you have a electric guitar, you don't connect it to a distortion box, you have a clean sound. But in rock and roll, or if you want to use an electric guitar, you obviously, because it's an electric guitar, you need to make advantage of it. So in order to produce like different effects through the same electric guitar, you use a distortion
Or
box.
else you could also buy a cheap low quality headphone and get distortion for free.
Bad quality headphones
Oh,
equals good quality distortion for free.
Yeah, like metal.
then
People who listen to metal, they're like immune to musical brainwashing, and for me, metal is just noise. Like it's pure noise.
I grew up listening to Linkin Park and that Green Day, that kind of hard rock. But now
green.
when I
Yeah,
go
yeah,
back
yeah,
and
yeah.
listen, sometimes even I feel like, why is he
I
screaming?
think I know, right? I know.
I listen to metal when I don't want to fall asleep because it keeps me awake.
And people listen
Oh
to
my
AV
god.
podcasts when they want to fall asleep.
No, no self burns, please. Let's avoid those.
You know, some metal songs want me to get into a gang fight and get punched in the face.
What is he song like? Stab him, stab him. I'm pretty sure that's lyrics in some song or the other.
It's like they seriously want me to go and start a gang fight. Like I don't care. I'm gonna see this big dude like all hefty and nice, and I'll be like, "You fucker," and he comes like, what?"
So metal songs want you to get hurt. It's either self-harm, like jump from the building, or else it's like stab that really huge
Yeah,
dude
yeah,
who
yeah.
you know
Correct,
will
correct.
win in a knife fight.
Yeah.
Sometimes you don't
They-
even understand what's going on. It starts with confusion, it ends with confusion.
Much like our podcast. Okay, I'm done now. Okay, wait. Okay, I want to know everyone's least favorite genre of music.
it's very
Oh,
obvious by now. Metal.
Shocking. I did not see that coming.
But it's metal is actually not that bad, you know. Like I always had this thing in mind that metal is bad, but then I have this friend who's obsessed with metal, and
Your friends
so
changing your music taste is a valid thing,
yeah,
okay?
music.
this friend
Yeah,
I talked
right?
about, I used to hate metal like it's like hate it with a passion. I'm like metal. I'm like you get lost, and then
And
this
it's
guy he sends me
cute.
songs. I actually
Yeah.
listen to it, and I'm like, this is nice.
Yeah,
This
see,
is
like,
nice, but
even if you're not going to be friends with this guy later in the future, when you're 50 years old and you listen to metal, you're going to think of this person. That's
okay,
the cute
that's
part of it. But what
yeah,
about you,
but
Yeah,
Shreya?
you
What
yeah,
do
know
yeah.
you hate
the
listening to?
fun part is I'm not going to tell him that.
Oh, it's not that bad. Yeah, you can't
Who
let
have
them know
bad
music
music
taste.
taste? People who listen to country. I said it.
Okay. Okay.
Old Town Road's good. Like Old Town Road was
Town Road, it was decent in the beginning. Okay, I'm not even going to pretend I didn't like it, but some people liked it. And then the number of remixes that happened to it, like by any
Remixes
chance
it.
Billy Ray
Oh my
Cyrus was a
god.
part of it.
who?
So
Billy
many
Ray Cyrus.
remixes.
Yeah, Billy Ray
Lyric.
Cyrus, like Miley Cyrus's father.
Father,
Okay,
yeah,
I don't
dad.
understand. Okay, this like Miley Cyrus licks a hammer and then it's art and music, but then if I do it, I'll just be drunk and I'll be kicked out of the hardware store. Like, man, what is unfair?
Okay, I
Yeah,
think that's enough for today. We can wrap it up.
yeah,
So,
yeah,
what's
yeah.
the conclusion, guys?
The conclusion is like modern pop music is temporary, Minecraft background music is forever.